Hello everyone, Big Game back with another hotel review. Booked a little place off booking.com called Mountain View, and yeah, it's here in Merthyr Vale in the valleys, and there's this place right behind us, number 33 here. Right, we're going to go and get indoors. So you come up some steep steps into the property. It's got a little back entrance here, it's got a little back garden. Quite a nice little area, and yeah, a big steep down garden, but look at them views of the valley. So like I said, it's number 33. You got a little key code. Obviously I've already entered the code and I've got the key, and we are inside. So yes, here we are inside the property. It's lovely. It's a little two bedroom house. I'll tell you how much it cost me at the end of the night. I booked it on bookings.com, as I said, and it's known on there as the Mountain View, but all links will be down in the description, and hang around till the end of the video and I will tell you how much this place cost. But first, let's go and explore it. So yes, here we are in the entrance hall. You have got a little place to hang your jackets, put some little stuff up there, and then they've got a Wi-Fi box there, a nice little radiator, and they supply some slippers for us as well. There's a first aid kit, little plant pot there, and a little blind. Behind us we've got a little chalkboard where you can write stuff on, but there's no chalk available, and they've given us that little key. And you've got the thermostat. We've just turned it on to 20 because it is quite chilly today. Going through into the living room. So we was greeted with some nice sweets. So they're giving us a few little Roses chocolates in there. Kaz has already eaten most of them. We've got a nice big open window here with a blind and the curtains on it. Nice green sofa. I've not actually sat on there yet. With some like sheepskin rug by the looks of it, and a nice little candle. You got a big clock on the wall. This is really nice with the birds. Although, is that working? Yeah, I think that is the time. 5:15.
5:15 just gone.
Yeah.
It's lovely.
And then over here, you got some video, what was it, no, board game type things. Oh, Marble Run, I like Marble Run. The little giraffes, which in the picture look like they're humongous.
Yeah, it is. They look like 4 or 5 foot in the video.
What's this, one of them diffuser things?
I think so, maybe.
I'm not touching it, I'll end up breaking it.
Might be a light actually, I'm not sure.
Tea towels in there. And then here's like all bedding stuff. Okay. But doors don't really open. They just put them all open. I did have a look earlier.
Okay.
Got a little wooden bit there for the fireplace. Some more rugs.
Yeah, nice.
And the TV has still got the film on it. That is a huge TV as well. Look at the size of that TV. Some light fittings up here. There is some other games down here. Kaz was very happy to see a Pac-Man game.
A Pac-Man board game.
And then what's the other one? A puzzle.
Yeah,
a 1,000-piece puzzle.
Puzzle with dogs on it.
Oh, you like that one as well. And then just a little storage cupboard under the stairs, yeah, just to put some bits in it. I'm going to chuck Kaz's suitcase in there, what's he's just left there.
No.
Right, going into the kitchen. Kitchen slash dining room. It's very, very nice in here, loads of room. You've got your 2 light switches. You can just switch one on if you wanted to, leave that one off. Right, we'll start over here. So you've got your extractor fan, got your gas hob, and your big oven. I did check some of these, they actually supply some stuff for you, so you've got like some salts and vinegar and stuff there for your dinners. Don't think there was anything in this side. No, that one's empty. Got a couple of recycling bins for food and stuff. There's a cupboard here. I think this is mainly for them though, just to store some cleaning stuff. Obviously you want to keep it tidy while you're here. There's a slow cooker in there as well. We are only here for the one night, so we're not going to take advantage of most of that stuff. If you're here for a week or 2, definitely worth checking out. Got a little kettle, a toaster and a microwave. In here you've got some plates, cups and tea mugs and stuff. There's some tea bags, coffees, they've supplied all that. Just got to supply your own milk. Little utensils. You do have a washing machine if you're here for a long time. Do some washing. I don't know if they're providing any washing powder. No, we've got some cooking stuff in there now. And we've got some, they're supplied finished dishwasher tablets because, yep, we do have a little dishwasher. Not a very big one. And then there's chopping boards in there and some other bits and pieces and your cutlery. I don't like that none of these cupboard doors actually shut. There is a coffee machine. Don't quite know how you use it. Water Brita filter thing. They supply you with some washing up stuff. Nice clock so you can see what you're doing. And then there is the view of the garden if you turn that. They have got a barbecue somewhere as well apparently. And then round here you've got dining table, which they've set up lovely for us. Ready to have a nice meal. So yeah, that's quite nice. Salt and pepper's already provided. And some soya sauce. And then you've got a small little fridge, freezer and some random stool there for some reason. So yeah, that's everything what's in the kitchen and downstairs. Let's go upstairs and have a look what's up there. Right, so you are greeted with these lovely steps, as it says here. Please remove your shoes, which I've done. So let's go upstairs. We'll turn some lights on when we get up here. It's a bit dark. But yeah, come up to a lovely carpeted landing with your bathroom in front of you, your toilet as it's known. I think this is the... Right, we're in. So, in here you have your nice toilet supplied with scrub brush and a little bin, air fresheners, and what's it called? What it is, I forgot. Bleach. Then you've got a little toilet roll holder in. Quite a weird one because the toilet roll don't really turn on it. Then you've got your big radiator. Which oh, that's roasting now. Put the heating on, it's getting a bit hot. Right, you've got a mirror. Shave my head. Looks like it's growing a bit, I need to shave it. They supply you with cotton buds, hand wash, and this lovely little bit here to put all your toiletries in for your toilet toothbrush and stuff. Then your sink. They also supply spare toilet roll, hairdryer, spare cotton buds, and some cleaning stuff for the shower. Oh, wipe myself on the toilet. Then you've got this big shower that opens up, and they supply loads of stuff in here for all you women out there. Oh, bit tight. Lovely clean shower head. So we've got some body wash, conditioner, shampoo, and then someone else has left some other bits. And then you've got your mixer tap. Lovely. And then you've got your little light switch there. Right. Let me try and figure out how I'm going to get out of here now because it's a bit tight. Right, so here we are off the landing. First one to the left at the top of the stairs is one of your 2 double bedrooms. So yeah, look at that. It's got a nice little theme there, look, mountain view. Nice big double bed. I think this is the one we're going to be using tonight. Got our towels there. 2 little bedside tables. You have this little dressing area. Big mirror, little stool, and a little unit. A couple of candles here to light for you, give you some extra light in here. And then like an old style, I don't know, some sort of unit. You can hang your jackets up on it and all sorts. Your clothes. And I'll just show you the back garden while we're up here. Save going out there. You've got a little patio area there. So I don't actually know where the barbecue is. I think it might be in the shed. But I didn't find a key for it yet. There's a little shed down there. Yeah. And a lovely view out onto the road. But you do have the view of the trees, the mountains and all sorts. The better views at the front of the house. But yeah, that one's not too bad out there.
Okay.
So, back onto the landing. This is the little boiler room, little boiler cupboard. There's some spare towels and stuff down there for the owners and bedding. Then coming into the second bedroom. This is obviously above the stairs. I've just put a bit of carpet here. This is the first time Kaz has been upstairs. Well, she hasn't seen any of this. And this is the second bedroom. Again, a nice double bed, extra towels. Got a couple of lights above the thing, which I'm guessing what them remotes are for. A mirror here to get ready. And look at these views. You see it at the start of the video, but it's better up here. I might pull them blinds all the way up. So yeah, that is everything what's here in this little 2-bedroom house. What do you think of it so far,
It's
Kaz?
really nice.
Kaz's first time in
It's bigger
here.
than what I thought it was, actually.
Yeah, the pictures make it look small.
Yeah, what room are we going to sleep in? This one or the other one?
Probably the other one.
This one's a bit bigger though, isn't it?
Yeah,
I don't know.
it's up to you.
What's this carpeted area? Is it just
That's
the
just
thing above the stairs?
above the stairs, yeah.
And a storage cupboard. It doesn't lift up or anything.
No,
Oh, okay.
don't break it. Right, so while we decide what room we're going to be sleeping in tonight, we'll let you go, and then we'll go downstairs in a bit and we'll talk about the property, what we think of it and how much it cost.
It's quite nice.
So, Kaz has decided she wants to do the bed test.
I want to do the bed test, yeah, try it out.
She's picked this one to sleep in and what side
Yeah.
she's going to go on. Go on
I'm
then.
going to sleep on this side. I always sleep on the side closest to the loo. I get up so much in the middle of the night.
The only
It's
thing,
really soft and comfy.
the only issue I found with this property
Yeah.
is they haven't got any plug sockets next to the bed.
Yeah, that's the only issue, isn't it?
Yeah.
You're like far away from the bed. It doesn't bother me.
Yeah, how's that comfy bed?
It's lovely.
Alright, so we leave you to sleep now.
Yeah.
Right, good night everyone. Kaz is going to bed.
Night.
We'll leave her to it. Good night, Kaz.
Night, night.
Right, let's go. So, this is the morning after the night before. We're only here for the one night. And
Yeah.
we're going to let Kaz do the review on the place.
Yeah, okay. So Kaz Crazy Life here. Hello everyone. I just want to say quickly, this was a really nice apartment, really nice house. As you can see behind me, there's nice sort of green curtains with a nice pattern on them. And I don't know if you saw the giraffes earlier in our video, but
They see everything.
yeah, there's the giraffes see everything. They're looking at us right now. They're just over there. And there's a nice clock up here on the wall. I don't know if you want to spin the camera around.
I've already
quickly,
seen
so-
it with the ducks on it.
with ducks on it. It's just really nice. It's really nice modern touch and really clean as well. I really liked it. 10 out of 10 for me.
And you've done your bed test in the last
Oh, I was
clip.
on the bed test in the last clip. It was really comfy, really soft, not too firm, not too soft, just right.
You slept in it now, you had a good night's sleep.
Had a good night's sleep, yeah, for once.
And the shower you said you enjoyed?
And I really liked the shower, yeah. It was a really nice shower. Not too powerful, not too weak. It was just right, and just the right temperature as well. I didn't have to adjust the temperature. It seemed to be set on a perfect 38, I think it was set on. Yeah, 38 degrees, which was really nice.
Do you reckon this is a good size house if you was here with two couples?
Yeah,
There's
there was
4 of you
two
staying
couples. If there was 4 of you staying here, it'd be perfect because it's like plenty enough space upstairs, like 2 big bedrooms. One of the bedrooms slightly larger than the other one, but they're both adequate for 4 people. Yeah.
Anything else you want to add?
I don't think I want to add anything else. Just that it's really nice and modern, and I really like the decorations and the way they've done it up.
What about the local area?
Local area, it's a little bit quiet, and there's not much around here. There's literally like a Premier Inn shop. That's about it. But it's a really nice scenery. I don't know.
It's a Premier shop, not a Premier Inn shop.
Oh, Premier shop, sorry, not Premier Inn. I'm getting muddled up with my brand, sorry.
Yeah.
I haven't woken up yet.
And that's all we've found around here. There's a train station and a Premier shop, and that's it.
Yeah.
We've not seen any other shops or anything.
There's some stunning scenery outside though. Are you going to film that later?
I've already seen it.
Oh, they already seen it? Okay, sorry.
Yeah.
My bad, my bad.
We've already seen all that. So yeah, that just brings us to the price. So we're staying here in October, so it's not summer. We're in the wintry time.
Yeah.
They probably don't get many people coming to stay here. And I paid £85 a night, which if you were staying here with another couple, you're looking at just over £20 a person.
That's very
That's not
reasonable,
bad,
isn't
is it?
it? For one night in this really nice apartment or house.
House.
House, yeah. I keep calling it an apartment. It's a house.
Parking outside is just on street parking. We had no problem parking.
Yeah, it's nice.
And it's just really clean and modern. Got board games here. We never played any of them, but if you wanted to play them,
Yeah.
they had some available.
Yeah, it has everything you need. It's very well equipped as well. There was some cotton buds upstairs. There was plenty of toilet roll and things like that. And normally we have to buy things like that, don't we? We have to buy washing up liquid and things, but everything's all been supplied in the kitchen and in the bathroom, so I'm pleased about that.
Yeah, you literally could just turn up with a bag of spare clothes and that's it.
Yeah,
Yeah, they've supplied everything else. Just bring your deodorant, you're sorted.
yeah. And clean underwear.
Well, that would be the spare clothes.
Yeah.
It's a bit silly. But yeah, overall, I like this place. What would you rate it out of 10?
I think not a 10 out of 10, yeah.
10 out of 10. I'm going to give it a 9 because it's not perfect. I leant on one of the windowsills and it nearly fell off.
What windowsill?
One of the ones upstairs when I was
Did
looking
you?
around, yeah. It was
Oh
a bit
no.
loose. It's not been glued down, just needs gluing down. There's just a few little minor bits like that.
I suppose there's always room for improvement, isn't there?
No,
So maybe 9.5
pint
out of
glass.
10.
No pint glasses. They need
Oh,
to
there's
go.
no pint glasses, was there?
They need to go. They need to go and rob a local pub. Not that I've seen a local pub. There's no pubs nearby
There
either.
doesn't seem many pubs around here, no. That's the only bad thing. But never mind, it is nice.
But yeah, we
It's
went
nice and quiet.
to the premiere. We got a little microwave meal and stuff, and we had that. It was fine.
Yeah, it was alright, yeah.
So yeah, hopefully you've enjoyed this video, and let us know if you come and stay here. It's not one of them places that people would probably come and visit. Merthyr Vale. It's only a tiny little village. But yeah, it's nice and quiet and we've enjoyed it. We've got to go now because they kick you out by 10 AM.
Yeah.
It's the only bad part. I think you can check in after 2. It's either 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock you can check in. You check out by 10. It's all key coded. They text you the code and boom, you're in. Right, and free Wi-Fi. You get free Wi-Fi.
Yeah, free Wi-Fi here.
You need that here because the Wi-Fi signal ain't very good.
Yeah.
And lack of plugs, and that's about it.
Yeah.
They're the only bad things. But yeah,
Yeah,
I've
nice.
enjoyed it. I'd come back here again without any problem. More than just a night, hopefully.
Yeah, it'd be nice to stay here for maybe 2 or 3 nights, but it's really nice.
Or at least a
It's
week, I
quiet.
reckon. Nice week.
It's a nice quiet area.
Yeah, just to get away and relax and just chill out and watch a bit of TV.
Yeah.
Right, we're going to go now anyway. We've spoke for too long.
Yeah.
Right, we'll catch you in the next one.
Bye for now.
Bye for now.